Hi guys, I am Nidhi. In today's video, I'm going to show you all a easy keychain by using air dry clay. So this is the clay which I'm going to be using, and I'm going to be showing you all two different types of keychains over here. I'm making one which has a donut and the other one which is the ice cream. So let's get right into the video now.
Okay, so I'm starting now. So this is the clay I'm using. It has two packets inside it. One which is the hardener and one which is the actual clay. So you are supposed to mix them both. So I'm opening the packets now. Now I'm going to be mixing the two. Since I'm done mixing, I'm going to be adding a bit of talcum powder, just some powder over here to make it a bit more smoother. So I'm making the donut first. Now I'm taking a crisp pen cover and I'm going to be making a hole inside the clay over here. Now I'm going to be starting the painting. I decided to make it a light brown for the actual dough of the donut. So I mixed the color and this is how the color turns out. I decided to color it first and then let it dry as well as let it harden together. So I'm going to be coloring first. Now moving on to the ice cream cone. I already made the shape and now I'm going to be using the same color as the donut for the ice cream cone over here. A bit of more color at the back of the donut. Okay, now I'm adding the glaze on the donut. This is a chocolate glaze sort of on top of the donut over here. Now I'm adding some stripes for the ice cream cone. I'm using a really thin sort of brush for this. I'm adding horizontal as well as vertical lines over here to make that sort of crisscross shape on it. So I'm rolling another piece of clay over here. This is supposed to be white and it will go on top of the donut. I'm done with making the scoops of the ice cream. I added one scoop, I'll add another one later. So now I'm just going to be adding the clay which I rolled up earlier. Now I'm adding a bit of white paint. I'll add the brown later on the places where it's become white. Now I added another scoop on the ice cream cone. I'm using white for this too. This is supposed to be like a vanilla ice cream, I guess. So I'm adding white onto it. Now I've made another smaller ball which is supposed to be the cherry. So I'm going to be coloring it red. I'm done with that now. I'm adding the donut onto the keychain now. So I had this thing on the keychain by which it was easier to attach the donut. I attached the ice cream into a key ring like that. And these are how both of them turned out. This is the donut one and now this is the ice cream one, and we're done.
Thanks for watching my video guys. I hope that you guys like this video and that you guys will try this out too. And the colors which I use in this are acrylic colors. You guys can make any other food items or any other thing you want. Instead of a donut and ice cream, I chose donut and ice cream because I like them. But you guys can choose anything else too. And please like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you already subscribed, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.